Protests over the abortion pill. Abortion rights supporters demonstrating outside the Supreme Court today. This just hours after Justice Samuel Alito issued a stay of a lower court ruling that would have restricted use of the drug mifepristone, which is used in the majority of abortions in this country. The justices expected to weigh in next week. ABC's Elizabeth Schulze is at the Supreme Court.
Are we going to back down? No!
Tonight, protests across the country with the battle over access to the abortion pill now in the hands of the Supreme Court. Justice Samuel Alito issuing a stay late Friday that keeps mifepristone available until the end of the day Wednesday, as the nation's highest court considers a Texas judge's legal ruling that could ultimately suspend FDA approval of the pill used in more than half of U.S. abortions. Overnight, President Biden blasting the Texas decision.
I think it's outrageous what the court has done relative to concluding that they're going to overrule the FDA and whether it's some decision. I think it's out of their main.
Less than a year after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, anti-abortion activists say they're hopeful.
We certainly see it as encouraging.
The debate deeply personal for 32-year-old Brittany House, who joined hundreds of abortion rights activists today at the Supreme Court.
I'm just happy overall I was able to have my abortion in the way that I wanted and the way that I needed.
She tells us she had a medical abortion using mifepristone.
I'm standing before you today, 11 years later, safe, healthy, financially stable.
14 states have mostly banned the abortion pill. It would be banned in every state if the Supreme Court sides with the Texas ruling and suspends FDA approval. Anti-abortion advocates hoping that ruling holds.
What was your reaction to the original decision from the Texas judge?
My first reaction was a lot of excitement. We've been waiting for the decision. Everybody had been for a really long time.
Some states aren't waiting for the Supreme Court. Maryland now joining a growing number of states with Democratic governors stockpiling mifepristone.
Elizabeth Schulze with us now at the Supreme Court. So walk us through the legal process here and how it's expected to play out in the next 4 days.
Whit, it will be status quo until the Supreme Court weighs in, which is expected to happen sometime before midnight Wednesday night. So for the next 4 days, the justices will consider the government's request for a full stay, as well as abortion opponents' arguments that these restrictions should immediately take effect. Whit.
And so much at stake. Elizabeth, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.